Hey there, sixth graders. So up until now this year, we've only been doing math really in one dimension, but now we're graduating to two-dimensional math. So the point below represents 0 on the number line. Draw a number line to the right starting at 0. Okay, do. It says starting at 0, and this is 0 right here. Now, so we know that this would be all positive numbers since we're going to the right. So we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now let's go to the left. You know what numbers this would be. This would be -1, -2, -3, -4. But we're just going from side to side. We're just going in one dimension. So now, get ready, because we're going two-dimensional, baby. Boom. Now we're not just going side to side, we're going up and down. So up here we've got 1, 2, 3. And what's going to go down here? Oh, well, I hope you're thinking -1, -2, and -3. Two dimensions, side to side and up and down. Now if we were going to go in and out, that would be the third dimension, but whoa, whoa, whoa. We're not there yet. You're just not ready, kids. So all points on the coordinate plane, this is the coordinate plane up here, are described with reference to the origin. So the origin is this, 0, 0, the middle. That's the origin. So its coordinates are 0, 0. Now when it says all points are described with reference to the origin, that means that every point is given its name, its whole identity, based on how far it is from the origin. So if we wanted to think about point 2, -2, so that would be over 2 and down -2, so that point would be right here. We'll call it point V for Vandenhoek. So its name, 2, -2, is describing how far it is from the origin. So all points, their entire identity, is how far they are from the origin, how far they are from 0, 0. So to describe locations of points, we use ordered pairs. And they're called ordered because they're always in the same order, X and Y, over, and then up or down. So order is important, so on the coordinate plane it's always X, Y, horizontal and vertical. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. So it'll always be an x point and then a y point. So the first coordinate represents the point's location on the x-axis, and the second coordinate represents the point's location from 0 on the y-axis. Go ahead and work on the first few exercises, and then you can watch the rest of this video. So here we are looking at a blank coordinate plane, but we know a few things. We know that this point right here, dead center, we know that this is 0, 0. And we know a few other things. So let's think about it. If I give you a number with a positive x coordinate and a positive y coordinate, you know that number is going to be right here. I'm going to say PP for positive, positive. How about if I give you a number with a negative x coordinate, but a positive y coordinate? So that number would be negative and then positive. Now, how about a positive x coordinate, positive x, and a negative y? So I'll say PN for positive, negative. And then over here, you know that would be NN for two negative coordinates. So these sections have names. So this right here, where everything's positive, this is quadrant 1. This is quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and down here is quadrant 4. So which quadrant have you worked on for most of your life? Most of the work you've done with graphing is going to be right here in quadrant 1. But now that we're in 6th grade, we're moving on. Welcome to the 4-quadrant universe. So I want you to go ahead and practice with these ordered pairs from all 4 quadrants. Raise your hand if you need any help. Do it to it, sixth graders.